Whoa, 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 Nelly.
Rick and Jay here, F's Up Outdoors. Some hot action here on the Ohio River, smallmouth, walleye, and some channel catfish. Stay tuned, hit that like and subscribe.
Got him. Nice.
Bigger one, whatever it is. Fighting like a good smallie.
What you got, boss?
I don't know. I don't know yet. I don't know. I guess it's not fighting like a smallie. Maybe a cat or something. Maybe a muskie.
Maybe a sheep's head?
Maybe a sheep's head. Got the boat spinning, that's for sure. Something big. You see it down there?
Whoa, 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 Nelly. Take your time, take your time.
Trying to keep the pressure on.
Pop that boat to neutral.
Well, yeah.
We're good now. You're out of the shit.
I don't know what it is.
Oh, the anticipation.
I got light stuff on here, so I don't want to try to horse them.
It's got like 8 pound on there.
10 pound.
Oh, okay. Damn.
He does not want to give up.
Nah. You got a paddlefish. You threw it right where that fish jumped, but I don't think this is that fish that jumped.
He's not letting me go.
That's okay. It's okay, the wind's gonna push us, keep us right out of everything. Hope this net's big enough. Oh, big walleye.
Big one?
Yeah, nice one.
Nice.
He'll fit in the cooler.
Definitely a keeper, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Hey-oh.
Smoke that joker!
Nice, man.
Nice.
He's coming home. Hell yeah. Heck yeah.
You're coming home with me.
Got him? Here you go.
Oh, I got some.
All right.
Oh yeah, he got some big old teeth.
Put him on the measuring board.
Yeah. Oh, the hook just fell out.
Perfect.
Easy hook joint.
Whoa.
He gone.
Oh, look at this guy.
He gone.
Look at this walleye, Jay.
We're staying here forever.
Nice one, man.
Ohio River walleye. Early October. I keep wanting to say late October.
The video will be out late October. We got a picture of you there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna keep them. Who cares how long we have them out, right?
Give me a good one. Yeah, it's a good one.
Nice.
Let's get a couple more.
Yeah. Well, let's get that measuring board out.
Oh, yeah, it's down there. Let me grab it.
You want to weigh him? We can cut this down.
He's bigger than the measuring board.
Yeah. You got an extender.
Yeah.
Okay, you want me to do it and hand it back to you?
Yeah, we'll lay it on the seat here.
Whoops-a-daisy.
Imagine being a bait fish in the old Ohio River there. We got these things swimming around.
I don't think he's this long.
No. 25 and a quarter.
Damn.
In the box.
In the box.
Should we break the ice open?
Yeah, or you could storm right on the ice.
It's bigger than the cooler. All right. That'll be a couple good sandwiches. A-size sandwiches. Good deal. One down, let's get a couple more. You better put on Old Trusty.
There we go. Whoa, hit right at the boat. Right at the boat.
Go. You're on the board. Well,
he's angry, whatever.
big one. Big one.
Ah.
I think they're here, you know, you would think. Oh, there's one.
Another fighter.
Yeah.
Or a loose dragger, or both.
I think pretty good fighter. Oh,
Jeez.
yeah. I'm gonna have to practice. Good.
What'd you hit him on?
Old Trusty.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. With the net. Yep. Well, this is round 2. Decent sized fish for me today. Got another drag puller here. Feels like another maybe walleye.
It's like you got a freaking striper on.
I don't want to make my drag too much.
No, you're all right. Wear him down.
Watch that log. Where's that log at?
We're not there. We're good.
Oh, walleye.
Another nice one.
Yeah, another nice one. Another keeper.
Catfish. Catfish. Oh. Come on, get in the net.
Little help for that guy. Oh,
Fish. It was hard to get him in that little net.
look at that. Big dog. He's a croaker. Wasn't expecting this. But you never know what you're going to catch out here on the river. This is the lure we call Old Trusty because certain times of the year catches everything. Exhibit A, catfish. That's a good one, Rick. Hold on, I'm gonna let you go, Bob.
I hear him dancing.
Yeah. Little fat guy. Can we get a picture of him for me?
Fat guy in a little boat.
That guy in a little coat.
Fat, 5-pounder maybe.
Oh yeah. Got him.
All right, let's let him go. He gone. Big fish.
Pike or muskie.
Another good one. I'm just lucking out today. Walleye.
Yeah, for a minute there, he looked like a pike.
Ooh, he's running. Neutral, neutral. Help me out. He's over here now.
We'll get him. We'll get him.
Oh, he came off right there.
That was a walleye too. Damn it.
Barely hooked. Barely hooked.
I tried.
Yep, we tried. It's a good fish. We lost it. It happens. Oh, there he is. Got him. Little guy. Hit it. Crushed it though. All right, get your piss and vinegar out.
Got one too. Oh, he came off again.
Oh. Almost lost a finger. This guy is mad. It's been slow, but we got some good fish. But hopefully maybe we got a spot now we can boat a couple. I mean, he was just a terror. He cut my hand up. It's a big one.
Oh yeah, he's a keeper. He is a keeper.
All right.
Probably could have netted him. I was doing the J Twitch job on him.
Yep. Just been throwing it out there and letting it twitch.
We'll put the measuring board on, but I think he's 15. He might be a little under.
I think he's 15.
Can you grab the board for me real quick?
I'm on it.
Hey, after an
Jack of all trades.
unlucky couple hours, I got the skunk off.
Well, he finally put on the right lure.
16.
Yeah, there we go. Turn the boat around here. Another one in the box.
Hey. Hey. Oh, God.
That's your luck today.
Yeah, that's my luck today.
Son, you gotta
Lost another one. Well, folks, it was awesome. We had a good time out here. The nighttime's coming, so we got to go in. But we appreciate you guys coming along. We got a lot more footage coming out. Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah. Boated some good ones.